You see, she got up 49 and stuff, y'all. Trying to rock out, y'all. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what it is. No cap. Yeah. Yeah, pop out, pop out. What's up with it? What's up with it? Y'all represent, represent. Y'all thumbs up. Come on, y'all forgetting the thumbs up, man. What's up? Y'all forget the thumbs up? Already, bro. Shoot, man. You shooting that big daddy. Shoot, that's what's up. Shooting them big daddies. Okay, now where the thumbs up though? That's what I want to know. Where my thumbs up though? Damn. What's up? What's up? What's up? Pop out, y'all represent. I told y'all we the best channel. Y'all the youngest better catch up. Haters better catch up. What? I know they watching. You hear me? I know they watching. Cause we steady popping. Ah, he one hit wonders ass, sorry ass, jokers ain't doing shit. You hear me? Ain't doing shit. Hell no, to the no, no, no. We the best channel, y'all. Pop out, rock out. Don't forget, thank you for the thumbs up, y'all. Thank you. Thank you. But now back to popping, y'all. No cap, man. Represent y'all channel, y'all. You hear me? Dallas in the house. Represent y'all hood. Represent your hood. Sure, represent your block. What's up with it, everybody? Yeah, pop out, rock out, y'all. No cap, man. Represent y'all channel already. Everybody say, hey, Andrea. Hey. Hey. Party over there. Hey, shit over there. Pop out, y'all. That's why we the best channel, y'all. We got number three. No, we family. Rock out, man. What's up with it? Y'all represent, man. Y'all say, y'all. Fired up. You hear me? Fired up. Let's go. We ain't gonna play no game with these haters. We ain't gonna play no game with these haters. You hear me? We taking off. You hear me? Them channels suck. That's what y'all telling them haters. You hear me? Yeah, we kicking ass, y'all. I told y'all, man, these haters better catch up, man. We ain't playing no game. You hear me? We ain't playing no games, y'all. You hear me? Turn up, everybody. Represent y'all channel, man. Let the haters know where y'all from. Let the haters know where y'all from, man. Already. Uh-oh, represent, man. Y'all heard what he said. Shit, pop out. Let's get it. Shit, showing love. No cap. Y'all better drop y'all shit. You did. We worldwide, baby. You hear me? We worldwide. Represent. Dallas in this bitch. What? What's up? Pop out. Boy, say, my bro, we kicking ass, bro. You hear me? Yeah, we got these niggas on some dumb shit. Doing that dumb ass video. You hear me? Dumb ass video now. Can't fuck with me, man. Can't fuck with me, man. We got this shit, y'all. You hear me? Yeah, y'all. We got this big, you know what I'm saying? Got this big 4-5 on them boys today. Yeah, big 45 on these boys. You hear me? Yeah, Springfield 45. Ooh, ooh, drill. Playing no game with these sorry old booty pooted ass boys. You hear me? Booty pooted ass boys. We popping. They stopping. Told y'all we the best channel, y'all. You hear me? No cap. One hit wonders. They can't catch up. You hear me? They can't catch up, y'all. On my mamas. On my mama. Who gonna stop me? I'm waiting. Shit, we popping. No cap. I'm waiting. Come on. I be itching for some haters. You hear me? I be itching for a hater to pop up and talk their shit. You hear me? Y'all, for real. They don't even want to talk shit no more. Cause they ain't shit. That's what you do, y'all. Your shit on their ass. Every moment you want to hear. Fuck them haters. Fuck 'em. You hear me? I forgot YouTube told me I cuss too much. And they say I can't do this though. Yeah, them haters. Where you at, haters? Uh-oh, that was that one seven. Uh-oh, 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 they going everywhere. Uh-oh, there go my bro, there go my bro. We ain't playing no games, y'all. Uh-oh. Oh, we represent. There go my bro. Hey, bro, tell y'all. Check out my bro channel, y'all. The boy doing killer ass numbers, y'all. No cap, you hear me? The boy doing killer ass number, man. The boy